All right, everybody, this is the penny stacking game. You have 1 minute. If you look, you have to have your pennies flat. Can't have any stacked right now. They got to be on the table or wherever you're going to be at, okay? Then you're only going to be able to use one hand. The other hand has to go behind your back. You have 1 minute to stack as many as you can. After the 60 seconds, how many you have stacked has to stay stacked for 5 seconds. And then you count how many you have. I usually count when I'm stacking. So, all right, so I'm going to show you right now. And I'm going to pull up, you see here, a minute to win it. So next to me I have my minute to win it clock. When that starts, we start. I'm going to just down for you so you can see. There you go. All right, here we go. See what I can do in 1 minute.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 11, 12. 13, 14. If they collapse, I got to start over. 15, 16, ooh, 17. Come on. 18, 19, 20. Don't fall. 21. Come on. 22. No. 23. 24. 25. Uh-oh. 26. Don't fall. 27. 27. All right, well, I got 27. Not bad. And then I'll do it again and see if I can beat 27. Okay? That's penny stack. Minute to win it.